Welcome to online tutorial channel. Today I am going to show the basics of MS Excel for accounting purpose. Let us start. First one, I am going to show the basic layout of MS Excel. MS Excel is unlike other Microsoft product. Microsoft have different kind of product. Excel is one of the important application. This application we are using for multiple purpose. This Excel we can use for simple calculation to advanced data analytic process. Today we are going to see how we use this MS Excel for accounting process. Let us start with the basic idea. MS Excel, as I told earlier, this is unlike other Microsoft product. Is MS Excel based on data analytics. So earlier the people they were using Lotus 123. Nowadays we are using spreadsheet. The spreadsheet nothing but rows and columns. The data that we are going to arrange in rows and columns. Here we can call this box as a cell. The intersection of rows and columns we call as a cell. So likewise we have many number of cells in Excel. In Excel, if you want to type some data, you can type here. So that when you type something, when I say 45 is a value. Suppose I say the name is a text. When you say the currency, I can say like this. So these all of them are we called as the inputs of the cell. The cell may contain value or the cell may contain formula. How do you differentiate this? It's very simple in MS Excel. The formula always start with the equal sign. When you put 45, you may see the same answer. But when you look at this in formula bar, you see there is equal to 45. And you see this is normally 45. So what is the advantage when you use a formula? Suppose I say 45 plus 45, you may get 90. Without 45 plus 45, it won't come anything. So Excel does not calculate this value without equal sign. So equal signs denote that it is a formula or the reference. Suppose when I say name plus 45, you may get error because the name does not have any value inside that. That value, that name can be used as a variable. Suppose I say that interest plus principal. You say the name. Suppose I say 3000 and 12 percentage. I can name this one here this principal and this one I name as a interest. So now we may get the answer here. So in MS Excel you can use formula for constant value and you can also use variable also. The variable is nothing but the name of the cell. So as an accountant you must use always the variable because most of the time we cannot, if you don't know how many values are there. So we always set one constant name for it that can be used for any purpose. So in this video what we have done, what is MS Excel, how do we use Excel and what are the inputs are available. In this next video we will see more in detail.